Hello and welcome. Let's take a moment to think about something important. Have you ever wondered why things seem to repeat in your life, even though you're trying so hard to change them? Well, it's because the key to everything you experience lies within your subconscious mind. It's the one thing that influences your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, everything. But what if I told you that you could control it? What if you could tap into the very power of your subconscious and reshape your life? Today, I'll show you how to take control of that power and guide it toward the life you truly desire. The subconscious mind is an incredible force. It holds all your beliefs, memories, and habits. In many ways, it controls the outcomes of your life without you even realizing it. You see, your conscious mind is limited to what you can actively think about in the present moment. But your subconscious mind doesn't operate on this level. It works in the background, silently shaping your reality. And if you understand how to tap into it, you can start to change the course of your life. It all begins with awareness. Most people don't realize the extent to which their subconscious mind influences their thoughts and behaviors. It stores everything you've ever seen, heard, or felt. From the moment you were born, it began absorbing information, and this information formed the beliefs you hold about yourself and the world. Those beliefs often become automatic responses to everything that happens in your life. When you face a challenge, your subconscious mind will push you toward the response it believes is best, whether or not it's the response you want. So the question is, how can you control this? How can you change the beliefs and patterns that have held you back for so long? The first step is to realize that the subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. It simply responds to what it perceives. This means that your imagination is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Everything you want to manifest in your life begins with a thought. But not just any thought, an imaginary act. This is the secret to controlling your subconscious mind. You have to consciously create the images, the feelings, and the emotions that you want to experience in your life. Imagine a moment, a situation, or a scenario that feels exactly how you want it to feel. The more vivid and real you make that image, the more your subconscious will accept it as truth. For example, if you want to attract more abundance into your life, start imagining yourself living in abundance. Feel the emotions of prosperity. See yourself surrounded by opportunities, and let that feeling become real. As you do this, your subconscious mind will begin to take these images and beliefs and bring them into your reality. Now, the key here is consistency. Just as you've spent years forming the beliefs you hold today, it will take time for your subconscious mind to shift. But the good news is that you can speed up the process by practicing regularly. Every day, take time to visualize the life you want to create. Feel the emotions of already having it. Don't just see it in your mind's eye, experience it with all your senses. The more you do this, the more your subconscious will begin to accept this new reality as its own. Another powerful technique for controlling your subconscious mind is affirmations. Positive affirmations work by replacing negative beliefs with empowering ones. When you repeat a positive affirmation, you're consciously feeding your subconscious mind with new, supportive thoughts. At first, you might not believe them. But keep repeating them, and over time, they will start to sink in. Your subconscious will begin to accept them as truth, and you'll start to see your life shift in subtle ways. For example, if you've always believed that you're not worthy of success, you can begin to replace that belief by repeating affirmations such as, "I am deserving of all the success life has to offer." At first, it may feel uncomfortable or untrue. But if you persist and repeat it with conviction, your subconscious mind will begin to accept it. You'll start to see opportunities that align with this new belief. Your actions, thoughts, and behaviors will begin to shift, and your reality will begin to reflect what you've been affirming. It's important to note that controlling your subconscious mind isn't about force or struggle. It's about gently guiding it toward what you want. The more you trust this process, the more effortless it becomes. You are not trying to force change, you're simply allowing your subconscious to work with you, rather than against you. One thing that can help in this process is letting go of any resistance. If you find yourself doubting the process or feeling that change is impossible, that's simply your old subconscious programming trying to maintain control. These doubts and fears are not a reflection of reality, they are just old patterns. To break free of them, you must detach from them. Trust the process. The more you trust, the quicker your subconscious will respond. Another powerful tool is using the power of suggestion. When you go to sleep at night, your subconscious mind is more receptive to suggestions. This is why many people choose to listen to affirmations or positive suggestions while they sleep. You can make use of this time by visualizing your desired reality just before drifting off to sleep. See it, feel it, and know that it's already yours. As you sleep, your subconscious will continue to work on manifesting these thoughts into reality. It's also important to remember that the subconscious mind operates in the present moment. It doesn't understand the concept of time the way your conscious mind does. It doesn't see the past or the future, it only knows the now. So when you visualize your desired outcome, you must see it as if it is happening right now. Feel the emotions of having it in this very moment. Your subconscious doesn't need to wait for the future to bring it to you, it can manifest right here and now, if you allow it. The law of attraction is often spoken of in this context, and for good reason. It's the law that states that like attracts like. If you focus on what you want, if you believe in it and feel as if it's already yours, your subconscious mind will attract those things into your reality. But remember, this doesn't happen by simply wishing for things to change. It happens when you consciously align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with what you want. It's not about hoping for change, it's about knowing that change is already happening. Your subconscious mind is a reflection of your beliefs. If you believe that life is hard, that success is difficult to attain, or that you are not worthy, that will be your reality. But if you shift those beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts, your subconscious mind will begin to create a different reality for you. The key is to stay persistent, to keep reinforcing your new beliefs with positive thoughts, affirmations, and visualizations. When you begin to master your subconscious mind, you will notice something incredible happening. You will begin to feel more at ease with yourself and the world around you. You'll feel more confident, more aligned with your desires, and more in control of your life. This is because your subconscious mind is no longer working against you. It is now a powerful ally, helping you manifest your dreams and goals. There's one more thing to keep in mind: patience. Just as you've spent years forming the beliefs you hold today, it will take time for your subconscious mind to fully shift. But do not be discouraged. Every time you visualize, every time you affirm, and every time you believe in your power, you are planting seeds for change. So, begin today. Take control of your subconscious mind. Start by imagining the life you want, affirming your worth, and believing that your desires are already coming to you. Stay consistent, stay patient, and trust the process. Your subconscious mind is waiting to help you create the life you've always dreamed of. Now, remember, this isn't something that happens overnight. It's a process, and it requires practice. But with time, you'll see that it's not just about trying to change your mind, it's about transforming your entire life. And when you do, you'll look back and realize that you've always had the power within you to create the life you want. By liking and sharing this video, you are spreading knowledge that can change lives. Help us reach more people who are ready to unlock their subconscious power. Your support makes a difference. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, so you can stay updated with more valuable content. This is your chance to learn more about harnessing the power of your mind and bringing your desires into reality. If you haven't already, subscribe now. You don't want to miss the next video that will help you continue mastering your subconscious mind and manifesting your dreams. Lastly, make sure to like and comment below. Let me know how you plan to start working with your subconscious mind today. What techniques are you most excited to try? So start today, and keep going. You have the ability to control your subconscious mind and shape the life of your dreams. Trust in that power, and watch as everything around you shifts to align with your desires. You are the creator of your reality, and it all begins with controlling your subconscious mind.